Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So today I have a tutorial showing you how to use GIFs in OpenShot. I'll be using Photoshop and creating the GIF and exporting it. If you happen to know of any other free programs that use the same export features as Photoshop, feel free to leave a comment below and let others know as well. So thank you for watching, make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and consider subscribing for more. Okay, so let's get into it. And so you'll notice I have three layers here. I have the base layer, the second which gives it this kind of glowing effect, and the third one where I've glitched it out a bit. So anyways, first you want to go to Window and select Timeline if it's not there already. You might see something in the middle that says Create Timeline. That's okay, just hit that. And so to start with, you're going to want to make your first 3 frames. Start by selecting the first layer only, then you can duplicate, select the second layer, duplicate again, and select the third layer. And something else I like to do is take the last 2 frames and tween the animation with 1 extra frame. And then I also drag it to the back. Now I didn't do it in this video, but it would probably look better if you also took the first frame and put it at the end. So then you can adjust these however you like, whatever timing you want for your GIF. I set it to forever so I can just keep watching it. Sure, that looks okay. So if you want, you can save your Photoshop project at this point. Otherwise, you can go down to Export and Render Video. So make sure you have this selected on 60 frames per second. For whatever reason, that's the way that OpenShot makes the GIF work. If you do it in 30, it doesn't play it properly. So choose your folder and press OK, and it'll render the video to a series of images. Now if you go into OpenShot, you can go to File, Import, or you can just go to the plus. That's what I'm going to do. Choose the first image in the sequence and hit yes. Now what I like to do is just import the first image or the first frame just as a background image. So I'll drag these both to the timeline just so you can see what the effect looks like. And we'll put the background there just so it looks a bit cleaner. I'll make it a bit bigger and hit play, and you can see it glitching out. Once you've completed whatever GIF you have made, you're going to want to go File, Export Project, and Render Video. Now the default one is pretty good from what I'm seeing, but there's a ton of different options if you want to get technical, or you can just create your own with the different options, but it's kind of a wormhole, so and just to clarify, if you wanted only the GIF you've created, you can save that as a video by removing the other garbage there and hitting export. So the first thing that you want to make sure is when you export it, you're not just saving the file, you have to actually go down to Export Project and Render Video. And when you're in Photoshop, you have to make sure to select the frames per second. You can actually do that while you're in the project if you hit this button and go over here and select your frame rate. Also, just to clarify, yes, this works for any GIF that you already have in GIF format. So you just open it up like regular in Photoshop, and there it is.